This is Keep Calm and Borrow On, Kanopy Kids. To get started, go to our library website and find eLibrary. Under eLibrary, select Kanopy. Under Getting Started, choose Sign Up. This brings you to the Kanopy page, where it tells you that you get 5 films per month. Click Add Library Card. This is where you enter your full library card number, no spaces. Then click Continue. Here, enter your first name and last name. Then enter your email address. Be sure that you have access to this email address because you will need to confirm your Kanopy account before you can gain access. Enter a password. This can be a unique password or one you've used before. Then click Sign Up. Once you've confirmed your account, you can click Login. Enter your email and password. Then click Login. To get to Kanopy Kids, click Go to Kanopy Kids. Click Start Watching. Videos check out for 72 hours. Titles are available to stream via web browser. There's a free app on Apple, Android, and Kindle devices. Look for the Kanopy app in your App Store. You can also stream with Apple TV, Roku, and Chromecast devices. When you find a title you're interested in, hover over it to find out more information, or click on it. Here you'll see recommended videos and information about how long the video is. If you're ready to watch, simply click the play button. You can also add to My List so you can watch it later. Clicking on Kanopy Kids always brings you to the main screen. Here, you can also search for a keyword, like Big Bird. And that's Kanopy Kids. When you're ready to return to the main Kanopy website, just click Exit Kanopy Kids. I hope you've enjoyed this look at Kanopy Kids. If you have questions, please visit our library website.